Hey guys and gals, this is Eric with TradeForexSecrets.com. If you're interested in making money online at home, this is the best platform for trading the Forex market that I've ever been a part of. It's a real-time trading platform. Go to TradeForexSecrets.com to get your free video training. As you can see, we're in the Canadian US dollar 1 hour chart, my favorite chart. We have our TNT lines, two orange lines down, two blue lines up. That means we're heading down in all four lines. I really like that. The majors and minors, we have a very definitive move. Here's something a little different. The red line is still under the green line in the pressure hose, but we see a turn in this pressure line. So I'm definitely looking to take 300 points out of the market. I know that this is probably going to head down consistently. We're at 0.963. We need to get to 0.663 in order to make that 30 pip profit at $50 per pip or $1,500 trade. That's because my account has increased over the past 6 months, so I'm able to scale up my earnings. Okay, normally I would trade at a level 1 or level 2, which would be $10 or $20 per pip. But here of late in the past couple months, I've been able to go at level 5 or $50 per pip. And that's just because I have at least a $50,000 account that I can use to trade the Forex. So let's see if I can make those 300 points within this next couple, 2 hours, 3 hours maybe. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you can see we were at 0.963. We are now at 0.641. Actually, you can see this little wick right here took us down even further. And that's what is consistent about this platform. I took the trade right in here, right in this candle, and we can see the consistent dive here. And finally, the red line crossed over the green line, but I really like that diagonal and the pressure. So sometimes you have to read the graph that way, but definitely I earned $1,500 in actually a little less than 2 hours, about an hour and 45 minutes. So if you're interested in earning income online, go to TradeForexSecrets.com to get your free video training. This is Eric. Have a great day, guys and gals.